Beldina Atieno is a survivor. 9 years ago, the Kenyan woman tested HIV positive. Her husband left her with an HIV positive baby and 2 other children. A couple years later, she was diagnosed with AIDS, but she did not give up.
I've actually tamed the virus, and I talked to the virus, and we agree on exactly how we should live.
When her sister died of AIDS, Atieno started taking care of her sister's 4 children.
If you're not determined to live, I'm sorry, you cannot make it. So you first get that determination to live, then you work towards your determination.
Beldina's virus responded to antiretroviral treatment provided by the Global Fund, a public-private partnership that distributes money for AIDS programs. She traveled from her home in Kenya to speak at a World Bank conference in Washington.
Please, don't give up on us now. We are fighting for our lives.
33 million people like Atieno are living with HIV or AIDS. Experts say more money is needed for prevention, treatment, and care. The Global Fund wants countries to commit 0.7% of their gross national product to fighting the disease. Organizers also hope to introduce more innovative fundraising, like these red shoelaces sold by Nike. The Global Fund distributes 1/4 of all international funds for AIDS, supporting treatment for 2.5 million people worldwide.
Responding to the challenges of development is a matter for all the society, not just for governments. So the private sector, the citizen, the consumer, everyone has to come together. It's a global solidarity effort.
Officials point out that hunger interferes with antiretroviral drugs. They say the risk of developing AIDS could jump by 36% in infected people who are hungry. Experts say prevention is the key to reaching the UN's Millennium goal of halting and reversing the spread of AIDS by the year 2015. And they say the effort begins with women, like Beldina Atieno.
If we can learn to say no to unprotected sex, then it will start from there. Yeah, we've come to learn that men are very weak. And when you say no, actually it will affect them. Yeah, so it starts with women.
According to the United Nations Program on AIDS, there's been a 17% decline in new HIV cases over the past 8 years. One participant says this next year should be a turning point as we move forward and capitalize on those advances. Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.